How do I capture audio from each app separately in OBS Studio? Hi, I'm Helen Santos, a support specialist at JMV Technology. In this tutorial, you'll learn to capture each app's audio in OBS Studio, excluding unwanted notifications and sounds. This feature is ideal for recording or streaming games, music, and calls independently with full audio control. If you're new to OBS, we offer a free comprehensive course. Scan the QR code. Currently, my audio mixer only shows the video's audio, but I have YouTube open and a Manycam playlist playing. Let's add these two apps' audio separately. Click the plus button in Sources and select Application Audio Capture. Give it an easy-to-identify name. I'll name it YouTube and click OK. Next, in the Window field, select the app you want to capture and finish by clicking OK. Let's repeat this process for Manycam. Remember, you can do this with any application. It could be a game, a Spotify, or any program outputting audio. Now you know how to capture audio from each app separately in OBS Studio, making your stream more organized and professional. Remember, if you open a new app and want its audio in the stream, you'll need to add it manually here too. If you're looking for a live streaming platform, check out JMV Technology's plans. Stream to your site and multiple social networks at once. Plus, there are many other exclusive features. For more information, scan the QR code. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and follow us on social media for more content like this.